Okay, this is the last video for this lesson. We're in the last problem. Olivia bought 8 t-shirts for $64. So we know that that's important right there. 8 t-shirts cost $64. Write an equation relating the cost C to the number of t-shirts T. So we have to set up an equation. When we have an equation, obviously the important part of the equation is the equal sign. So what I want to figure out is how much is the cost depending on how many t-shirts you buy. So in order for this to work out, in order for me to figure out the cost, and in order for me to figure out how much I'm going to pay, I need to know what the price of just one is, the unit price. Remember we talked about unit price. That means that I want to find out the price of one object. So in this case, one t-shirt. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide. In order to figure out how many one t-shirt costs, you're just going to divide. Okay, you paid $64 for 8 t-shirts. That means that if you divide that, you're going to know that each t-shirt is $8. So all you did was find the price of just one of them. So write an equation relating the cost to the number of t-shirts. How much will it be to purchase 10 t-shirts? So before I solve the part where they're asking me how much to pay for 10 t-shirts, I need to complete the equation. I know that the cost is equal to the t-shirts. T represents the number of t-shirts. However, how much does a t-shirt cost? We figured that out. That was 8. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the A in front of the T because T represents how many t-shirts you're buying. If you're buying one t-shirt, that means T represents 1. 1 times 8 will give us 8. If you're buying 2 t-shirts, that means that the T represents the number of t-shirts. That's 2. 8 times 2 will give you 16. So that is my equation. Cost is represented by C, is equal to $8 per t-shirt. That is your equation right there. That is what you're going to be using to solve the final problem. That's only the first part. Write an equation. That's my equation. Now let's go to the second part. How much will it be to purchase 10 t-shirts? So 10 t-shirts. Remember that t-shirts represented by T. That means that in this situation, T is going to represent 10. So what you're going to do is, all you're going to do is replace the T by how many t-shirts you're buying, which in this case is 10. So $8 per t-shirt. They want you to buy 10. That means 8 times 10 gives you $80, and that's your answer. So what you did is you found the price, the unit price. How much did it cost for just one of them? Then you plug that in to your equation, which gave us C equals AT. The cost is equal to $8 per t-shirt. And then you were able to go back to the question, and they know that they want you to purchase 10. So you plug that in, 8 times 10, which gives you $80. And that is how you do this problem. You were able to write an equation, and then using that equation, you were able to solve for a problem. And there you go. That's the end of this lesson.